Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. Today we're doing a lovely Z fold card using the Hope, Love, and Joy set. Let's get started. So here are the pieces. You can pause for if you need. Card base is 4 1/4 by 11. Score at 2 3/4, and also score at 5 1/2. The flap is 1 1/4 by 11. Score 2 3/4 by 5 1/2. The DSP is 1 by 11 inches. And we'll cut at these measurements in a bit. The piece of DSP, one piece is 4 by 5 1/4, and then two pieces of DSP measuring 4 by 2 1/4, and these are actually the same piece. We're just going to use the reverse side to make it a little different. Pause for, and I already stamped and die cut the sentiment. Pause if you'd like the measurements. I'll take these out of the way. Alright, so first things first, you're going to fold along the score line, just as I said, the Z, right? That way. Do the same with the flap. And the only thing you're going to do different is the same, is you're going to flip this, and it goes exactly here, and that's the Z that you're going to make. But first we're going to put the DSP on here. So let's start with this one. Let me bring my Stampin' Seal Plus. And that goes here on the back. This one I'm going to put on the inside of the Z. Oh, actually, no. It's the, sorry. The outside. This one I'll flip. And go this way. A little left over. You can fold it right over. Oh, I did the same thing. I meant to flip it. But that's okay. We'll just do the same. Alright, so now we're going to take this piece, and as we said in the directions, cut 5 1/4 and then 2 1/2. So 5 1/4, then 2 1/2. You only have to do that once, actually. And then 2 1/2. Is that right? Yeah, 2 1/2. A little extra there. Five 1/4. 2 1/2. Alright, and here's the magic part again. You could start with it in the same direction, and then all you do, oops, that one's a little off. It's not permanent, so it's okay. So same direction, and then you flip it this way. So just here and here. So you want the whole side, this side, to be adhered, but only half of this side. So a little adhesive here. And then here is only going to be a half, so put your finger there. And depending, you can put it anywhere on the side. I'm just leaving a little space. And you can always fold the card. And it should fold flat. And then I already stamped and die cut the little hope ribbon. And I think I'm going to put it just like I did the other one. So I'm going to put just a little glue on the edge. That way it'll really pop. Here. Alright, and that is it. The love, the hope. There is a joy one that you can also do, but I just did this. I'm going to put this up so you can see it. So thanks for letting me share this with you. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you'll see many more video tutorials such as this. Thanks for letting me share this with you, and have a great day. Bye.